Redmi is here with another smartphone, the Redmi 9, which has been launched globally. Hello viewers, I am Tech Ninja back again with another tech video and let's get started. The Redmi 9 is a new smartphone, the brand name of Redmi. Talking about the display, the phone comes with a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus dot display in 19.5:9 aspect ratio with Gorilla Glass 3 protection. Now talking about the camera, the phone comes with a quad camera setup with the main camera with 13 megapixel, following with an 8 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel for depth sensor. Now talking about the front camera, it has an 8 megapixel selfie shooter. Now the battery life. The phone comes with a 5020 mAh battery with 18 volt of fast charging, but inside the box we only get a 10 watt charger. Now the most important thing, that is the processor. The phone comes with a MediaTek Helio G80 processor with Mali G25 MC2 GPU. The phone comes in two variants, 3GB RAM with 32GB storage and 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. The phone comes in three color variants, carbon grey, sunset purple, ocean green. Now talking about the price, as of now we have no details about the price, but we expect the smartphone to come below the price tag of 10,000. These were the specifications of the Redmi 9. Now my opinion. Redmi 9 is a great smartphone if it launched below 10,000. The main competitor for the Redmi 9 in the Indian market is the Realme 5i, Realme Narzo 10 and 10A. So what's your opinion about the smartphone? Comment down below and see you in next video and don't forget to subscribe.